Hi guys, I'm here with Mina today. We're doing the Picasso workshop, which is the Weeping Woman, portraits of the Weeping Woman. Some of them are Dora Maar. What was the other one's name? But yeah, it was all of Picasso's love interests, who was a bit of a rat bag. So the 4 panels, what we're doing is you can tape them together if you want to, but we should, do you want to tape yours, Mina?
No.
Okay, so what Mina's doing, she's jumping ahead there and she's got a basic outline, and you can use anything. I might use a dark green, water it down to just give you a basic rough outline with all the canvases together. Very simple. The workshop is over 2 sessions. So we're looking at doing the first 2 panels for the first workshop, and then the second panel for the second workshop. So the last 3rd and 4th panel for the second workshop. Get it right. So we're just going to do a little bit of a rough sketch. And the good thing about this is that because Picasso was into Cubism, you can't really go wrong. It's all about simple lines, and just to have fun, really. That's the whole idea of this workshop. And not to take it too seriously, but you can if you want to. Some people take their art very seriously. I do take mine a little bit seriously, but I think the idea is to use art for relaxation and just to switch off from, the problems of the world, and have some of me time and enjoy it. So I'm just doing a basic outline here, watery paint. A lot of his work was, I can't remember how many he actually did, but I think it was up past the hundreds, wasn't it?
Yeah.
For the Weeping Woman in particular. And a lot of it was about emotions and jealousy and sadness, love, passion. So there's a lot to research on Picasso if you really wanted to find out a bit more. And there's lots of books and that written about his story. And I think there's a couple of movies as well, isn't there? So just getting the general shape here, and just keep in mind that each panel that you've got here, what we will do in the workshop is we'll just work on 2 panels at a time, not 4 like what we're doing today. And with your perspective, I think we might get some easels set up. I was going to make some just out of cardboard, thick cardboard. I just did a bit of research and found that once you're actually working on them individually, it's a lot easier if you're at a table, or if you wanted to use an easel, even better, so you can stand back and have a look at the perspective, etc. But today what I'll do is I'll cut out in the next video just a little homemade table easel, which is really easy to make. And because an easel these days, what does that cost? About $160,
Yeah.
$200 for it, and the rest if you wanted to get a really complex one. So I'm just not stressing too much about dimensions, because we can paint over. As long as you've got a rough idea, then you're halfway there. So we'll finish off this lines that we're doing now and get back to you once we're finished. See you soon.